Hey guys, welcome to the video. Yesterday I posted 1.2.5 update which was saying do not update it, but after some trial and error I've managed to find a way of getting this drone compass back and that annoying sound has gone. I know our resident troll will be like, oh, that's not the most scientific technical way of doing this, but it fixed it for me, and hopefully those guys who are having problems with their compass and the beeping sound, trial these steps and hopefully it will be fixed for you. So what did I do? The first thing I did was I took out the wire that's connected to the remote controller. Once it was out, I dusted it down, made sure it was all okay, all snug, push it back in, and then when I went onto the app, I deleted all my cache, made sure all that was 0. I then deleted the app completely, reset my phone, went back on, installed the DJI FLY app again, then within the app I went to an IMU, did an IMU calibration, and then finally a compass calibration. Should you have to do all that every time? No, should you? Heck. But for some reason I have had to on this occasion, and by doing them steps we've now got a working compass. So now that bit's over, I hope that helps you guys out. Go and check it out. It does show from the comments on the last video that depending on if you're on iOS or Android, particular phone you've got, some people are having issues and some aren't. So there doesn't seem to be a level field across the board and consistency with these app updates. So for today's video, we're going to be trying to fly over there to North Pier. From this location, we're going to test out the signal, the OcuSync. It's been absolutely freezing overnight. It's actually -1 on this flight still. So we're going to test out that battery as well to see how that performs. But after looking at that compass again and the attitude indicator, it's actually facing the drone completely, so that's working 100% spot on now, just like it did in 1.2.4. So just check everything here now. So we're actually getting quite a bit of interference in this area, so it's going to be interesting to see how that drone handles the interference. In this area, there's obviously a built up area just to the side of us, so a lot of interference for that aircraft to actually deal with, and we'll see how well it does. So I'm just going to speed this bit up now and then we'll talk about the filter I'm using today. Today I'm using that CPL filter again. It just gives the sea and that sky a brilliant vibrant blue colour, and I just love this filter more than any others. It's such a great all-round filter and it gives you an amazing image coming from that drone in 4K. Looking at that signal as well, we're still getting full bars, and we're quite at a really low height to be fair, at 33 metres, and that signal, considering the area we're in, and I showed that interference before, we're still getting 3 and 4 bars, and we're actually coming close to that North Pier, so not too far away now. We're now just approaching North Pier and we've had no dropouts. That signal is still strong, 3 or 4 bars, and it's actually performed brilliantly considering all that interference that we've just got around a massive built up area like this. Also the battery is still on 82%, so that battery is actually handling the really cold conditions that we've got today, and it's actually really nice to see that this signal and the OcuSync 2.0 is still performing just like it has done before, and those haven't been affected. We've actually increased that height to 54 metres now, and we're going to continue flying to Central Pier. The drone has handled North Pier completely without any problem, so let's just speed it up and get over to Central. So we're now just approaching over Central Pier, and that image looks amazing today. The sea is so calm and it gives that nice natural look from this filter. I do recommend it, and there's no editing with these pictures at all. The 4K is straight like it is off the memory card. The signal is still strong, 2 bars, but we're not going to go any further because as you get closer to South Pier, which is the next pier, you'll then enter the no-fly zone because of Blackpool Airport. So I'm not going to go anywhere close to that whatsoever. So South Pier is where you can't fly onwards, but we're just going to stop at Central. Whilst we're here, we'll get some nice pictures using this filter again of Central Pier and Blackpool Tower just in the background. Checking out these pictures again, no edits, this is just straight off the memory card. Just looks really good, and these are also JPEGs. You don't have to bother editing the raw files unless you're doing client work with this filter on and you're wanting to change a few more bits. The JPEGs with the CPL, it's already pretty much edited for you because of that look it gives, that vibrant look. I think it just looks really nice, and a nice bright day, or when you've got a bit of sun, which is rare in this country, but you're going to have to put that CPL filter on and it just looks brilliant. So the signal is amazing. We've got all this interference in this area and the drone has been able to fly here without any problems or drop out. So we've even got some wind coming back, and again just handles it completely fine. So just flying back now, I can't believe I didn't know this, but you can actually film on your phone like you're filming your drone with the app still running in the background and still have full control of the drone. Doesn't make sense? We'll just look at this. So as I'm landing here, I actually can switch over onto my camera, bring up the video, and I can film the drone while still being able to control it with the remote controller sticks. I had no clue you could do that. I'm sure Dry Biscuit knows about that, but I certainly didn't, and it's a pretty cool feature, and you can actually get some good footage of your drone just while it's either taking off or landing, and then switch back over. So I hope you found that helpful, guys. That drone signal, absolutely perfect, just as it was done. What an amazing bit of kit this is. Go and follow those steps at the very start of the video if you were having problems with that compass or that annoying beeping sound which we had on the remote controller, and I really hope it fixes it for you. Let me know in the comments down below. We'll see you very soon, guys. Take care. Oh, just a quick note, the filters are back in stock by Freewell as well. They're linked in the description below. Go and check it out, and also if you want to buy the drone, it's linked also in the description. Take care. Bye bye.